our devil's food cake with our Cinamenella Frosting. 3/4 cup butter. Hey, it's all quiet on the back porch. I think they'll be okay. You like my devil's horns? 2 cups of sugar and start creaming these together. What flavor do you have? Grog. Lord. Add in 2 eggs, 1 at a time. Add it in, beat it in. We like to scrape down the bowl whenever we add things. Oh, and your pans. Spray them with baking spray with flour and line the bottoms with parchment paper. Oops. Sorry. In another bowl, sift together 2 1/4 cup of cake flour, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. This is where the cake's name comes from. The large amount of baking soda reacting to the cocoa is a bedevilment in old-fashioned culinary terms. This is it, Jum Jum. The perfect trap. When they stand up, the rope will pull, the net will drop, and we'll have them. Exactly. Now all we need is something to lure them with. Do you have cheese? Perfect. Stay quiet. Let me do the talking. Alternate in the dry and the wet. Starting with the dry in thirds and ending with the dry. This keeps you from over-mixing. Over-mixing can make your cake turn out tough like bread. And add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract too. Divide it in your pans. We use cake strips. They're just strips of fabric soaked in water, and they change the baking process so you get flat tops every time. And bake for 30 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Did you hear something? Oh no! Who left this delicious cheesy snack just sitting out in the open? I hope no one comes to eat it. That would be terrible. Just a little closer. Take it away, Cinamenella, you warm spice girl, you, and this frosting. Whisk 6 egg whites and 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar on medium speed. We separate them outside the bowl because a bit of yolk will ruin the whole batch. They're a lot easier to separate when they're fresh out of the fridge. And whisk these to Siftings. See the mountain peak? You think this is a trap? I think I'll just get this nice piece of cheese. And in your favorite saucepan, 2 1/4 cups of sugar, 1 1/2 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of cinnamon Imperials, 3 tablespoons of corn syrup, and bring this to 236, 240 degrees. It'll take a really long time, like 15 minutes. But then, at 200 degrees, it starts to boil and toil. Now, flip your mixer to high speed and drizzle it in. get the stream to go in the groove the whisk is making. Don't let it hit the whisk or the sides, because it'll send shards all over your bowl. And just let your mixture go for 10 minutes. It cools down enough to spread on your cake when it stiffens up. Matter of fact, the frosting is easier to spread if it's still warm. The cinnamon adds a nice warm zing to the deep taste of chocolate. Almost. Not yet, you fool. Let them get closer. I can see Jum Jum. You fool.